You may have seen this different looking outlet in your home. It's called a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet, or GFCI. Typically, you'll find them in your bathrooms, kitchen, laundry room, garage, and outdoor locations where you have access to water. Their function is to protect you from an electrical shock, because as you probably know, water and electricity are a deadly combination. Let's say an item like a hairdryer is plugged into a GFCI outlet, and that item comes into contact with water. The combination of electricity and water will trip the GFCI off in as little as a 40th of a second, saving you from certain disaster. If a GFCI outlet repeatedly trips, chances are it's old or it's faulty. Discontinue use of the outlet and have it replaced. If you're unsure if your GFCI outlets are working properly, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.